A very good Monday to all my traders across the world. So now let's begin this week with a different approach, and hereby we are taking out our iPad analysis and we're going to be using it for the week. Why this is going to be fun? Because my iPad is the kind of levels that I have been marking since the past few months, so it's always on here. Hence I just update my levels. So as you guys can see, I want to talk about something very important. The two purple boxes is identified as DH for sideway location from this region down to this region. And how do we get this region? Is first understanding the sequence of stories. To sum it up, back in the day, this was the H4 engulfing cell meets engulfing cell meets engulfing cell, determining that this level was a suitable cell level, and hence anywhere you took it, it gave the cell. But one day when the news was burst, it broke above this previous cell level and immediately attempted its all-time high. So that's not where the marking begins. The marking began when the market reversed all the way down and rejected without a body within it and spiked back up all the way to the all-time high, hence forming this first touch as its first sideways support. And then later on, as it flew back up, we can see the response systems over here is there is always a rejection around here, whereby if it's above it will spike, and if it's below it will drop, and when it's above it will spike, and when it's below it will drop. So this is the sell or the supply side of the sideway, and this is the support of the sideway. So it's going to be very simple today. We are going to look at Euro session later. Where will it close? Will Euro session close above the purple box or below the purple box? So that when it does that, we can be more certain in the direction for H4. So let's say if H4 later close below, pop. So usually we will wait for it to open a new H4, find its retracement, and then take a sell down to where? If the sell happened from this purple box, we have to zoom out a little and go back to where we have the data from. Remembering that this box previously was the buy that the market fulfilled the distance from here all the way till here. So I will put a line on the previous high of our buy setup, and hence it's around 2431.07. So today or this week, if it starts waterfalling below this box, you have to wait minimum around 2431, 2425. We'll just take this engulfing buy over here. 2424, 2431 plus minus that area. So this is the preliminary analysis to just warm up our understanding, whereby my main job now will be to focus on the H4 and see where it goes. Will it play below or above upon the Euro session closure? If it plays above the purple box, this is where it's going to get dangerous. It will test the all-time high again, and just like this, remember, sideway, boom, breakout, sideway. If it comes back up aggressively, it will break out, and hence I think it will go around 2545, 2547 as we mentioned last week. So now this is the preliminary analysis. We have 3 levels to monitor, and that's when I want you guys to focus for the week. I'll just add one more over here. This is a sell scalp location for M15, 2519, 251. Let me see what's the lowest side. 2512.5, 2517.92. So yeah, you can scalp sell within this purple box. High risk, medium high risk, low risk. Trading in the black zones, very high risk. Okay.